What's up guys, Dante here, Overland Rebel ATL, and we are headed out to go camping. We got the truck and the trailer this week, taking the wife and the dogs, and we dropped the babies off at grandma's. This weekend we're doing HipCamp, where you can basically rent people's property and stay for a night or two, and it's kind of a different experience. I don't know, it's our first time. Have you guys ever done HipCamp? Let me know. Follow along, it's gonna be fun. What's up guys, getting set up. We made it to Brooks Lake in Connors, Georgia off of HipCamp. Doing the truck and trailer thing, getting set up, got the light set up, got the fire going, got the dogs out here. Oh, you see that? A paddle boat. Sweet. What you think? You like it? Go. They have some wooded sites back this way, a 50-acre lake, and then some sites where you can pop up in the grass. We chose the grass so we can run the dogs a little bit. All right, guys, we're gonna finish getting set up and start on some dinner. See you later. Doing some fancy ramen tonight with steak and boiled egg and scallions. Good afternoon. It is Saturday. We woke up and it was like 27 degrees. Gladly the camper kept us warm with the two big ass dogs. So we woke up, had breakfast, enjoyed this beautiful lake. We are the only people here this weekend, believe that. So we basically got to pick our spot. Now we're gonna go for a little hike. Looks like we found a spot where someone's gonna do a big bonfire. Since we're here, we're gonna do a quick walk around of the camper. This is a 2022 Runaway Venturist. One-piece roof and no axle. Pretty cool. I'm going to show you guys how we have it set up. It is a 6x8 composite material, no wood. For this trip, me and the wife. Pretty basic inside. 6-inch memory foam. We have her side, my side. We did opt for the model with the back door. Windows, AC, if you're running shore power or a generator. We have a little heater over there that we use when it's knocked the chill off. But we're pretty happy with this thing. Got the 35 to match the truck. Rear stabilizers. Again, check out that ground clearance. This is the back door. The dogs just lay in the middle, up by our heads, down by our feet. Nothing fancy. Smoked blue cheeseburgers with caramelized onions and potatoes for dinner. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We really enjoyed our time at this HipCamp at Brooks Lake. If you enjoyed the video, shoot me a like, subscribe, and get outside.